There's bigger pieces in there too. Look at that. Yeah, it is. Well, it's not even a tree, so it wouldn't be too bad. But the this car is going to be bump. It's going to be bump all over. It would be a nice rain if it wasn't for all the hail. Yeah.
So that means no practice today?
It should quit here in the next 20 minutes or so.
How big is your shirt? The practice like 6 o'clock.
I'm glad I mowed yesterday. Oh my goodness. Hope the satellite dish comes back on when all this is over. And I was sleeping whenever all this started. You hear that? You hear those sirens? I'm going out anyway just to see what the hell's going on. I'm back here! It's not raking.
There's a tornado coming!
There's a tornado coming when the siren's right.
No, there's a tornado coming.
It'd be nice if we had a TV to tell us what it was. Look at there. I haven't seen hail this big in a long time.
Probably like 2 years ago.
Maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, 2 years ago for graduation. When we were going to Oklahoma City. Remember?
Oh yeah. That was fun.
Hey, now we got
Looks like it's quitting now. Yeah. There's a bunch just sitting over there. Yeah, it's pretty well quit at this point. There's still a little bit falling though. And the funny thing is you can kind of see the sun. That's why I came out here to kind of show the sky a little bit.